Hello everyone, welcome back to another round of Calm Your Wits. This is the brand tournament, first brand tournament, and we've reached the semifinals. This is the first semifinal. Uh, we've had four wonderful quarterfinals, and now eight chosen and sorry, eight well-deserved participants are going to fight to book their spot into the finals. From today's match, two will be getting into the finals, and we have today Ketki, Kritika, Srinath, and Sayada, which will also be the order of the day. So we'll just start off with the basic rules that we have. Participants are not allowed to have any virtual background that has the answer to it. I really thought it was a filter for a second when Ketki was moving her head because that was Asli Bal. Uh, there will be 10 marks for every correct answer. After the first round, I'll give a hint if nobody gets it, and that will be for 5 points. Your questions will be passed on. If one does not get it, it will be passed on in a cyclic manner that goes Ketki, Kritika, Srinath, and Saida. And then after the first half, which is after 10 questions today, it will be reversed with Saida, Srinath, Kritika, and Ketki. Your humor-based answers are encouraged, so are your wild guesses. And since this is the brand tournament, I would just like to emphasize on the fact that most of the wild guesses turn out to be the right answers. So please uh, shoot your shot. Now, all the best to everyone. We'll start off. The first question for today's first semifinal is for Ketki. Now, X is an Indian company that creates monthly subscription plans for furniture and home appliances. The name is a portmanteau for the business model of the company. It has been known for its brand integration with several web shows and even movies like Dear Zindagi. I want you to tell me what brand are we talking about? What is X?
First of all, I just want to thank the rest of you guys who have names that start after KE. Because this is the first time in 30 years of my life कि वाइवा में मैं फर्स्ट हूँ. Okay. So thank you very much. And I think the answer, oh, sorry, I think the
Yeah,
answer for this is for Lenko.
Brilliant answer for Lenco Furniture Lending Company. That brings the first 10 points to Ketki. I gave 2 points, fun points for the name sequence thing, but then I had to give her an extra point because she considered this as a Viva. So one more point there. So with the first question for Ketki, now we go to Kritika. Now today, women make up 28% of Tata X's workforce. The company established an internal women's inclusion network at X platform to further advance gender diversity and provide support to women in India to help them further excel in their careers. Now, this new all women's they have these new all women stores, and are these are considered to be another significant step towards creating meaningful opportunities for women in leadership within the company. uh, and an important part of our efforts to achieving 40% gender diversity by the end of 2022. Now, this Tata brand is a beverage brand. I want you to tell me what is X.
Kritika, you're on mute. Kritika, you're on mute.
I know I'm on mute, man. Let me think. इतना जल्दी नहीं आता यार सब कुछ आंसर केतकी की तरह मिला. थोड़ा दिख रहा है ना वहाँ लोडिंग हो रहा है. थोड़ा मतलब सर में थोड़ा टाइम. Okay, so the only thing.
I saw
Sorry,
you speaking. That's
it's a
why.
fair assumption. It's a fair assumption.
I saw you speaking. That's why.
So the only thing I can sort of think of, like Tata beverage brand, that would be like Tata tea.
Not Tata Tea. Going to Srinath.
Is it Starbucks?
Brilliant answer. It is Starbucks. Starbucks in India, the business run is operated by Tata Group. So Srinath gets 10 points for Starbucks. Brilliant answer. Going to the next direct for Saida. Now, there are certain brands on this particular image. I want you to tell me what is the link between all of this. So there's Tassimo, Oreo, Milka, Prince Polo, uh, Cadbury, Halls, Maxwell House, and
Can you tell me more? Anything?
tell you what?
Something more?
I mean, like all the brands are here, and there's something that connects these brands,
I
and that's all I can say as of now. Also, I forgot to ask. I hope everyone's left the spectator group.
Yes.
Sorry, what did you say?
I hope everyone's left the spectator group.
Yeah, we did.
I mean, I kind of don't know half of these names.
Yeah, but there are some very popular brands there.
What is Petit Ki Lubisi? Petit Ki.
Petit Ki Lubisi. It's again a F&B brand, like processed food. Just like before she answers, all of these brands, they are associated with food items only.
Are they
No
owned by
offense.
one parent company?
Yeah, could you be specific?
Just going by Oreo. Is it Mondelez?
Brilliant answer. It is Mondelez International. Mondelez is the parent company of all these brands. Srinath, you were saying?
Yeah. No offense. It's just very scary looking at you with that
Anna?
getup that you have.
am getting that really Bazigar
Okay,
vibe.
Aditya, the only thing that comes in my mind when I see you is Dil ki Deewaron pe maine naam likha hai tumhara. Bazigar,
Yes,
oh,
Keski.
Bazigar.
I said that. Yeah,
Yes.
exactly. Why to?
Oh,
Yeah, that was the reason I kept it.
Aditya is just giving plus.
Zorro, but okay.
Yeah, Kritika. So Aditya is
I
giving just
also have a
20
question.
points to everybody. Yes, come on.
Srinath, why does your tile say happy birthday? Did I miss something?
So, nay,
it was
what
his birthday a
tile?
few
Same.
days ago.
Yeah. So I was born on 31st. Yeah. So
So is it a
Oh, okay.
filter or is it actually hanging backside?
no. So that is actually we had another event which was the birthday of another event. So yeah, that's not related.
Okay.
Okay. Anyway,
Arey, you
happy
wanted
birthday.
like, thank you. You wanted a filter which is not referring to the answer. So abhi downloaded में वही था.
Okay, so the next direct, because this one went to Saida, the next direct goes to Ketki again. The following is the motto for this self-drive car rental service, first of its kind in India: convenience, mobility, and independence. Now, over the years, X has boasted quick booking methods and cheapest fares for its customers. I want you to tell me this particular brand. Now, there's something that can be workable here. That's why it's a short question.
मैं सिर्फ मतलब जो कार रेंटल कंपनीज है उनके बारे में सोच रही हूँ एज ऑफ नाउ. Convenience, mobility, and independence. What do you Is it Zoom car?
Brilliant answer. It is Zoom car. So quick booking, Zoom car. Great answer by Ketki. another 10 points, bringing the next direct to Kritika. Now, Krishan Mohan Bijli ran a trucking business named Amritsar Transport Company, along with a theatre in Delhi. His son Ajay Bijli was the founder of X, as he took over the theatre from his father and collaborated with an Australian production house to form X. X is known to have started the first multiplex of India in 1995. So, identify which multiplex are we talking about or which company are we talking about.
ये लकी खराब है कि मतलब सारे कॉम्प्लिकेटेड वाले क्वेश्चंस इधर आ रहे हैं. मॉन्डेले, ज़ूमकार, फर्लेंको वाले दो ना, ये क्या है?
There are many questions left, so you never know.
इसलिए लक पे ब्लेम किया. Does this transport company even have anything to do with this theater, or is it just there for the heck of it?
I can neither confirm nor deny.
First multiplex, okay. I don't really know which was the first multiplex. Australian production house, okay. There are two big ones that come to mind, of course. Out of them, I'm just gonna like wing it and guess one, right? Let's go with PVR.
Brilliant answer. It is PVR or Priya Village Roadshow. So the theater that was there in Delhi was Priya Theatre, and the Australian production company was Village Roadshow. So they combined, and that became Priya Village Roadshow. Brilliant answer by Kritika, bringing her opening her account with 10 points. The next direct goes to Srinath. Brew City, Hebrew, Harvest Splendor, and Anchor are subsidiaries of a Canadian processed foods conglomerate X. It has establishment all across the globe. However, the only products available in India are peas, corn, and potato products, which are branded as X only. So the name of the conglomerate is also the name of the potato products, peas, and corns that we talk about. So identify X.
अभी मैं नीचे दुकान में यार फ्रीजर में देखा था उसका नाम याद नहीं आ रहा है. Just give me half a minute, please. I'm sorry, I don't know. Pass.
Okay, going to Saida.
Is it McCain?
Brilliant answer. It is McCain.
All that junk food flavor.
So
At 3 a.m.
McCain gets Saida 10 points plus 2 points on the fun side. The next direct goes back to Ketki. Opened in 1965 in California, Blank is a chain of co-ed fitness centers currently headquartered in Dallas, not Dallas. Known as the Mecca for bodybuilding, this chain has been making its own fitness equipments and line of gym wear. In 1985, it opened its first international outlet in Canada. Not that far away, but yeah. And ever since, has opened gyms in 58 different countries now. Just tell me the name of the chain, fill in the blank.
Does it have a chain in India as well? So I'll say Golds.
Brilliant answer. It is Gold's Gym. Gold's Gym gets Ketki another 10 points. So Gold's Gym started in California, and then the first international was in Ontario, Canada. But beyond the American land, it was in Qatar. So, and then they expanded extensively. The next direct is for Kritika, and you might like this one. Now, X was launched in 2009 by Alex Shevchenko, Max Litwin, and Dmitro Lider in an attempt to help users stylize and orient their text in a context-specific manner. It uses artificial intelligence to identify and search for an appropriate replacement for the mistake it locates. Identify X.
Very nice of you to assume I know things like this.
You knew Farlenko, so I'm assuming that.
फर्लेंको मतलब कितने ही है? दिस फर्लेंको, रेंटो मोजो या सिटी फर्निश, तीन ही है मतलब इंडिया में. Okay. So this is just a concept, right? It doesn't necessarily have to be an app or anything.
It is
It's
a
not
brand.
a product.
It's a product.
Oh, it's a brand. Okay, okay. Is it? Shit.
Could you repeat your answer, please?
Grammarly.
Brilliant.
Grammarly.
Brilliant answer. It is Grammarly. So, you see a few people जिनके नाम से लगता है कि उनकी इंग्लिश थोड़ी खराब होगी, so they made this up, and all the YouTube ads should pay up. So
I was
Grammarly,
gonna tell Kritika, you are this.
Hey, I've never been that person who does this.
Are you kidding me? You are a very grammar Nazi, Kritika.
When have I
So
ever
is our
corrected
quiz
someone's
master.
grammar?
I'm not.
Wait,
So
I'll tell
bringing
you
the,
the situation later. Wait.
Okay.
bringing the next direct, Kritika gets 10 points for this, and the next direct is for Srinath. Blank was a brainchild of Ken Kutaragi, a Sony executive who managed one of the company's hardware engineering divisions and was later dubbed the father of the blank. All blanks are same. At Sony Music Entertainment, Kutaragi worked closely with Shigeo Maruyama, the CEO of Sony Music, and with Akira Sato to form Sony Computer Entertainment Incorporated on November 16, 1993. Now, SCEI is the parent body that brought the revolution of blank, again, the same blank. So it was a revolutionary product that we're talking about. And I want you to fill in the blank.
Is it the PlayStation?
Brilliant answer. It is the PlayStation. So PlayStation gets Srinath another 10 points, bringing the next direct to Saida. One of my favorite questions. This is the official match ball for the FIFA World Cup 2010. Known for its improved aerodynamics, it was subsequently developed into Adidas Tango. The name changed. What was the original name? Identify the original name of the ball.
So you want to, sorry, just to clarify here, you want the exact name of the ball that was used in the 2010 FIFA World Cup.
Yeah, this ball, which was used in the
This
FIFA
ball,
World Cup.
okay, this
Yeah.
ball.
इसका
Alright,
नाम
thank
था.
you.
So this was the
इसका
same
नाम,
ball
हाँ,
used throughout, right? So
throughout, yeah, got it, got it.
so later on it became Adidas Tango after the World Cup, but उससे पहले there was a
Okay.
different.
ठीक है.
मतलब you mean to say इसका एक पहला version था.
हाँ नहीं, version यही है. The design, everything is the same. They just changed the name, rebranded it into Adidas Tango. So before that it was Adidas something else.
I remember. It was not. I mean, it was just Tango something. No?
That your final answer?
Yeah, I can't remember Tango. What something with a D or something. D or B. I don't know.
Not the right answer. We'll pass it to Ketki. Ketki.
Guys, I'm unable to hear you. Are you able to hear me?
I can hear
अरे
you.
तू म्यूट पे थी.
We can hear
Correct.
you, Ketki.
We can hear.
Someone type that.
Sorry, I'll try that.
Oh, this
Okay.
Damsharaj was
Is it my
interesting.
turn?
Yes.
I'm Kritika,
So
you and
this
I,
is when
we're good at
there
that.
was this
Yeah.
Hindi person who was working in Adidas. So he said, I want to name it Jabulani. I still can't hear you guys. Let me just rejoin, okay?
Okay,
It
so
is.
Aditya,
It
please.
is.
Yeah, it is the answer. Good, very good. But deduct all our points and divide it amongst Kritika, Saida, and I. Kritika, Saida, do you agree?
Yeah, totally.
I was going to give her 3 points for this.
No, I'm asking you to divide all the points that she's got till now.
I say, हाँ सही बात है. Did she join again?
Refund. If she does not join the next 2 minutes. Acha, okay, so
I'm just. Oh, she already gave her answer. Is it done?
Yeah. I'm just
Ayala,
waiting for her to
What was
rejoin.
the
and-
answer?
The answer is Jabulani. So it was Adidas Jabulani, and then later on they rebranded it to Adidas Tango.
Thank God, because I don't think I had the capacity to even try and guess.
yeah, I had a very Kumar Varun type answer because like Aditya is here right now. I actually was going to give a Sialkot type answer, and you know why I'm mentioning Sialkot.
Yeah.
So yeah,
Sialkot. Sialkot is where Jabulani was being manufactured.
yes, exactly.
A 4,000 rupee ball.
Yeah, imagine.
Yeah, I can hear you guys now.
Can you see the
Welcome
answer?
back, Ketke.
Yes, I can.
You've gotten 10 points for this. It feels like phone.
Thank you, Aditya.
Congratulations! Celebrate,
Oh,
Ketke.
thank you so
Enjoy.
much. I'll buy this ball.
So with this, we come to an end to the first half. Now the sequence will be reversed. The order will be
Purv,
reversed.
ठीक है.
Saida, Srinath, Kritika, and Ketki. The first bet for the second half is for Saida. Now, Specialty Restaurants Limited is an Indian chain of restaurants with many brands under its helm. Apart from these restaurants, the highest brand value that Specialty Restaurant Limited has is blank. So this is the list of all the restaurants, and one is missing. That one is the answer I'm looking for. It has the highest brand value. So O Calcutta, Sigdi, Episode 1, Machan, Flame and Grill. So one is missing. I want you to tell me which brand it is.
Do I know this? Do I
How would
know
I
of
know?
this restaurant?
It's a popular restaurant. I mean, it's the one they've marketed the most.
Specialty restaurants. Sorry.
This question is making me hungry for some nice biryani with aloo and Why? Why do you have O Calcutta on the top?
In the actual list that I saw, the blank was the first answer and I had to switch it.
Is this an exhaustive list, by the way?
Yeah.
I don't know. No.
Okay, going to Srinath.
Okay. I'm not sure of the answer. Stiggity Machan. Very random guess. Is it Subway?
Not Subway. Going to Kritika.
Okay.
So actually, I'm very confused between two different types of cuisines. I really want to go with one, but there is a similar one already on this list. And so I'm not sure whether I should go with that. The other one is a cuisine that I don't really see on this, but probably could be that. So I'm very confused about whether to go with the cuisine that's not on the list or with the brand name which is similar to something that's already on the list. Very, very confusing. Um, mm, 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 mm. Oh, shit, man. I'm just gonna go with Barbecue Nation.
Not Barbecue Nation. Going to Ketki.
I was actually gonna tell Srinath, imagine Sakina का सिगड़ी के बाजू में क्या था? Mainland China.
Shit, that was the other
Brilliant
guess.
answer.
Damn it! I should have gone with the other cuisine. Oh shit!
It is mainland
oh
China.
no!
So
Shit.
mainland China
Okay.
is the most
Sakinaka
popular.
signal one would have made sense to me also. By the way, I lived right like down that signal.
So Srinath, since
Shit.
your video was off, I don't know if you left the meeting. So the right answer is mainland China. Okay. So
I'm here only.
1 point for the Sakinaka signal part. Going to the next direct. Since Ketki got this, the next direct will be for Seda. X is a French international insurance firm. Despite its short name, it is not an acronym, but was given as it was really easy to pronounce by people who speak any language and not just French. It operates in India as a joint venture with the parent company of Airtel, with a 49% stake. So identify X.
Didn't realize Bharti was French.
Oh, I'm not sure of this. I don't even know if it is a French international transport. Is it? I don't know if it's French. Is it AXA?
Brilliant answer. It is AXA. So Bharti AXA in India. AXA was a very short name to pronounce. That's
Thank
why
you,
they-
Ketki.
So with
I welcome all such hints in the future as well.
with 10 points for Seda, the next direct goes to Srinath. Blank launched its first digital reality show, Blank Fashion Superstar, which is based on the fashion influencer talent hunt on Blank app. So all the blanks are again same. On 17 September 2019, in association with Zoom Studios, this show was identifying and rewarding India's next big fashion influencer. The show has 8 episodes of a reality series which will see 10 contenders competing with each other. I want you to tell me which brand are we talking about here?
Has to
Because
be
this
Splitsvilla. Splitsvilla.
Splitsvilla हो नहीं सकता
That's-
क्योंकि Fashion in Superstar is the name of the show. I'm talking about the sponsor.
Splitsvilla Fashions too. Okay, yeah, that was my joke answer, but yeah, let me think. यार ये आदित्य जोक आंसर के लिए पॉइंट्स नहीं दे रहा है. ओके फॉर द अदर
दे रहा हूँ
पार्टिसिपेंट्स.
मैं दे रहा हूँ.
बस तुझे ही नहीं दे रहा है
हाँ
क्योंकि तूने
Good
उसको
one.
बोला था कि मैं वो पॉडकास्ट सुनना नहीं चाहता. वो क्यों देगा तुझे?
Oh, good one, Kiti. I don't know. Like my answer is Zoom.
Zoom as in the channel.
The yeah like channel. नहीं. Channel. Colors channel is my answer.
Not colors. Going to Kritika.
So I actually know someone who is a part of this.
As a participant?
Took part in it. It's the Myntra fashion superstar on the Myntra app.
Brilliant answer. It is Myntra. I just wanted to recheck if this is the new logo or the old one.
This is the old logo.
This is the old logo. This is the old
This is-
logo.
Yeah.
No, this is the new logo.
No, dude, this is a new one.
This
Yeah,
is
this is the new logo. Yeah, I just wanted to scare you like for a sec.
The next direct goes to Ketki. Kritika gets 10 points for Myntra. Now, one of the oldest sponsors for Roland Garros is a brand with the motto "A crown for every achievement." This is all that the answer requires. So identify the brand.
Is it Rolex?
Brilliant answer. It is Rolex. So
मुझे चाहिए था ये question.
Ketki gets 10 points for Rolex. I said one of the oldest because the title sponsor and the oldest sponsor is BNP Paribas. So the next direct goes to Saidad. Okay, this is a little verbose. X is a worldwide ATM network. It is a subsidiary of MasterCard and based in Purchase, New York. Yes, Purchase is the name of the place. Founded in 1982, it links MasterCard and Maestro credit, debit, and prepaid cards and X, the name of the brand, ATM cards to a global network of millions of ATMs across the world. Now, Canadian, American, and Saudi Arabian ATMs use this network alongside with their local networks, and many banks have adopted X as their international interbank network partner alongside either a local network plus and the rival plus ATM network, which is owned by Visa, or sometimes both the cases, depending on how vast the network is. In countries such as India and Bangladesh, the X network also serves as a local interbank network as well as an international network. So this is, again, to simplify all of this, it's a subsidiary of MasterCard. And since it's linked with MasterCard, so automatically it goes with Maestro. And it itself has, like, the company produces ATM cards with this brand. So I want you to tell me which brand are we talking about?
Before that, did Purchase the town come first or MasterCard?
I'll look into it actually.
That's gotta be very, yeah, I have to go and Google this after this.
Is this Cirrus?
Brilliant answer. It is Cirrus. Cirrus
Is it pronounced Cirrus?
Yes. So Cirrus is the right answer, fetching 10 points for Saida, and Kritika 1 point for the entire purchase thing. Next is Srinath. The next direct is for Srinath. Now, this is a non-exhaustive link. NetSite Communications Web Server, Navigator, NetSite Commerce Web Server, Communicator, Collabra Server, Compass Server, Propeller. These are all connected to one another through a particular medium. I want you to tell me what is the connection. Mute.
Is this Netscape?
Brilliant answer. It is Netscape. Everyone's on a roll today. Netscape gets 10 points for Srinath, bringing the next direct to Kritika. Again, a little verbose, but very workable. Blank sponsored the NASCAR Sprint Cup Series Blank 500, a popular nighttime race at Bristol Motor Speedway from 2001 to 2009. For the 2010 season, Newell Rubbermaid switched the sponsorship for this race to its Irwin Tools brand. Blank sponsored the nationwide series, again NASCAR series, Blank Mini 300 race from 2004 to 2008. Before 2006, they sponsored Kurt Busch, who was the 2004 Sprint Cup champion. Blank also sponsored Jamie McRae in the 2006 NASCAR Sprint Cup Series and the 2008 NASCAR Sprint Cup Series. Now, all the blanks refer to a writing implements brand and nothing from automobiles. This is a hint I'm giving you. So it's all related to car racing, but it's not related to automobile or cars.
Is it Montblanc?
Good guess, not Montblanc. Going to Ketki.
When you say writing implements brand, does it mean that writing or it has
Yeah,
some other meaning to it?
नहीं वही वाला. Very generic, literal writing.
Pierre Cardin.
Not Pierre Cardin. Going to Saida.
Just taking a writing implement branding. Is it Schaefer?
Not Schaefer. Going to Srinath.
One moment. Thinking. Fun answer, it's Agile, okay?
Agile. Okay.
Fun answer.
Hey, why not Natraj?
Dude,
Hey,
it should have
Natraj
been
is pencil.
Rotomac.
You're invoking
Yeah,
God
yeah.
over there, okay?
Natraj has pen.
Wait. Yeah, okay, chalo.
ये वो सब
Wait,
कुछ
one
दिखता है
second.
वाला रोटोमैक ही था ना?
हाँ,
सब पे लिखता है.
सब
सब
कुछ दिखता है.
वो सब कुछ.
Cello was the sliding smooth one though, so works better with the.
Parker? Is it Parker?
Not Parker. This is the first question of today's quiz that will require a guess.
That's gone into the next. Yeah.
Get a hint. So I'll be giving you a hint now. All the brands that you named, it would have been the right answer if we would have been talking about golf or maybe Wimbledon. You are going way elegant. This particular brand is nothing close to elegance. And I mean, the entire format of NASCAR is known for its sharp turns. So I've said what I had to say. We'll go another round with Kritika.
This is still an international brand though, right? Like
Yeah.
it has to be
Yeah,
internationally known. Something so well known that even we know, everyone knows. It's something we're using. Since you're saying it's not like a high fundu brand, Oh man.
I mean, I don't want to assume anything, but probably you would have a Parker or a Schaefer, but not this one. Unless you have
I don't
relatives
have
in
this.
US.
I think I know what you're talking about.
But you just said, oh, okay, so I don't even own it.
You might
Oh,
not.
Bic. Bic, Bic, Bic.
Very good guess, but not big.
Oh, damn,
Uh,
that was what I was thinking.
What is
Not
this,
big.
Aditya?
Uh,
Too much
so
now.
going to Cape Key.
Dude, I was thinking big the entire time.
If because of this hint, this last line, I have not said the brand I was going to say, I'm going to kick your ass, sir. Just saying in advance.
Kritika, you can message it to me later after the quiz gets over, obviously. Okay, Aditya, we are not breaking rules here. Just for further reference.
I'm just gonna go out of everything, like बस हो गया दिमाग भी काम नहीं कर रहा and say Monster Energy drink क्योंकि
Okay.
उसका ही लोगो देखा है मैंने इस पे बिग
Not
के अलावा
not Monster. Going to Saida.
Mind is blank. I can't even think of pen names. Like writing.
I was an absolute stationery nerd as a kid, so I can think of all of the brands, but nothing that's actually fitting here. Sharp curves, no, sharp edges, something Aditya said. It just turned out to be a completely useless phrase.
It's not. I mean, just two more people to answer.
I don't know, man. Is it Pilot? I don't know.
Good guess, not Pilot. Good guess. Going to Srinath.
Okay, so I want to say cello or cello, but I just am going to go a little West Wing and say Faber Castle.
Not Faber Castle. So nobody gets this.
Trina,
Uh,
that was going to be my other guess.
the right answer is Sharpie.
Are
Sharpie is a
Oh,
marker
oh
brand,
my
oh
god
gosh.
and it has nothing to do with elegance because it's a broad tipped pen. So Sharpie was the right answer. Nobody gets it. And
isn't Sharpie like a marker
yeah. So writing
Yeah.
implement ही हुआ ना.
तो writing
हाँ, हाँ,
implement
हाँ.
हुआ ना?
So अरे हम लोग उस स्टैंडर्ड पे पहुंच ही नहीं पाएंगे मार्कर भी हो सकता है
Yes, madam.
So since
True,
Kritika
true.
did
We
not
were
get
just
this,
thinking.
the next direct is also for Kritika. Started in 2014, X is one of India's largest aggregator of auto rickshaws. Today, its services include taxi, trucking, concierge, and even limo services. Headquartered in Seattle with the India head office in Panchkula. Identify X.
Aggregator, not manufacturer.
Aggregator, yeah.
Wow, okay. What is this? What is Panchkula or where is Panchkula?
नाम से तो दिल्ली लग रहा है
चंडीगढ़ के पास.
Panchkula is a district just next to Chandigarh, for everybody's reference.
Like जैसे ट्विन सिटीज होते हैं वैसे चंडीगढ़
हाँ,
पंचकुला
मुंबई नवी मुंबई types. हाँ, Chandigarh
ट्राई
Panchkula.
सिटी.
Is this meant to be like a googly question or something?
I try to make all questions like a googly question.
See, Aditya's psychology is coming into play here. Okay.
Head office is in Panchkula, not even registered office or something.
My hat is jiggling like jelly.
Yeah, I
Seriously.
really don't like this face covered thing. Not like otherwise we get anything out of your face, but this is even more. I'm just gonna go with. It's not, but okay, no. Uber.
Not Uber. Going to Ketki.
Just because ये थोड़ा नॉर्थ का लग रहा है एंड मैं अभी दिल्ली जाके आई हूँ. Is it Jugnu?
Brilliant answer. It is Jugnu. Jugnu Auto. So
What
it
is this?
opened. Yeah, it's an auto service. So it's an app where you book autos. So that's why aggregator. So
There's an app called Jugnu where you can book autos.
yeah. So it started in Chandigarh, and after a lot of funding and all, they opened their headquarters in.
Acha,
Yeah.
that's why I did not understand. Like, सिर्फ taxi for sure, Ola and Uber ही मालूम था. So I'm thinking कि Ola तो नहीं है. अब मतलब Uber ही maximum हो सकता है. I know it's not Uber, but I know 100% Ola तो है ही नहीं. तो बस ऐसे ही डाल दिया Uber.
So Jugnu started in
Thanks.
Chandigarh.
Today I learned.
So with Jugnu, Ketki gets another 10 points, and the next direct goes to Saida. R. Mohan, for his contribution to the Indian industries, was awarded with the Udyog Ratna. The Blank brand continues to be a market leader and one of the most trusted brands in India. He is also the name behind other successful pioneering consumer brands in India like Hit, the first aerosol insect repellent spray, and Snuggie, which is the first baby diaper that was launched in India. Now fill in the blank with R. Mohan's line of mosquito repellents, which is now owned by a Parsi conglomerate.
Is it good night?
Brilliant answer. It is Goodnight R. Mohan, also known as Goodnight Mohan. Now under Godrej Industries. So Saida gets 10 points for Goodnight. Brilliant answer. Bringing the next direct again to Srinath. X is an American fragrance brand that has a line of products which include aerosols, plugins, scented candles, car perfumes, press and fresh, fragrance mist, and solid room fresheners. It was earlier sold as Bryce in Germany, but then in Germany also in 2012 they changed it back to X. So what brand are we talking about?
The only guess that I have is Ambipure.
Good guess, but not Ampure. Going to Kritika.
I don't know. Charmin or something.
Did you say Xiaomi?
Charmin.
The Charmin. Okay, not Charmin. Going to Ketki.
Is it S.C. Johnson?
Not SC Johnson. It was Sarah's direct, so we'll go another round with.
No.
It wasn't.
was
Oh yeah,
not.
it is. Okay, so you have an answer.
Not like I have an answer. ब्राइस से कुछ रिड्यूस करा जा सकता है क्या?
I cannot confirm, not deny this. A guess.
I confused.
Okay, we'll go another round now. Once again with Srinath, I'll give you a hint now. First of all, you can't deduce anything from Bryce. Second thing is that
Thank you.
this company X is worldwide. It's an American brand, but it's everywhere. In India also it's there. And particularly in India, the Press and Fresh was a very hit product of the brand. So think of Press and Fresh, what does that imply, and maybe work it out.
So I was about to say Nivea, but I know that's German. So I don't know why, like the other brand names. Okay, Marico.
Not Marico. Going to Kritika.
Yeah.
I think it's definitely a PNG brand, like a sub brand of PNG. I'm just not sure which one. I sort of stay away from fragrance related. Yeah. 1 second. I'm trying to think. No, all I've got is like it's some Procter and Gamble product. That's all.
Okay, we'll go to Ketki and see if she has a more definite answer.
Yeah, I मेरा दिमाग तभी चला जब तूने press and fresh बोला because it had that nozzle when it released in India. You know, where you just press it like that and
You name the brand.
so Glade.
It is Glade. Glade is the brand that I was looking for. So in India, it first of all came up because everywhere there were aerosol sprays and सब कर रहे थे ये चीज. So solid room freshener के लिए Odonil था, सब कुछ था. दे इंडिया में प्रेस एंड फ्रेश नहीं था. सो ग्लेड सॉर्ट की ये प्रोडक्ट को पहले धकेलते हैं. एंड there was this छोटा सा kid who used to poop and then press and
Yeah,
fresh.
yeah.
Yeah, that is the ad. So
मैं अभी खिचड़ी खा रही थी. Thanks Aditi.
Now I remember someone gave me free candle samples of Glade. I threw them off. Scented candle का sample. नहीं चाहिए मुझे.
okay, so with this we come
Should
to
have
an
paid
end.
attention.
Wow, Kritika, you're too rich यार. मतलब तू free samples फेंक देती है मतलब.
No, I can't take the extra scent stuff. That's why.
So
Nice.
I mean, it's pretty obvious that we don't need a tiebreaker today. We have two absolute winners. Srinath and Kritika both have 30 points each. Saida has 50 points. And Ketki का मुझे गिनना पड़ेगा.
हमेशा से.
Ketki is today's winner with 80 points. So Ketki and Saida once
Nice.
again get into the finals.
I was
Deja
not
vu
in
क्यों
Yay,
हो रहा है?
Saida! Yay,
With
Ketki!
Ketki.
Yay!
Deja vu
So
plus
Ketki
plus.
has not gotten a single wrong also.
I'll tell you what I got.
I don't like
Crazy
Ketki,
lucky
okay.
today.
नहीं, crazy lucky नहीं है. I don't like Ketki as a participant, यार. She gets all the answers correctly. Like pass भी करो तो उसको आंसर आता है.
ठीक है, काम करते
Aditya,
हैं.
यार, stop
She's
sharing
like-
the answer sheet with us.
overachiever.
Kritika, I agree with you so much.
No,
yaar.
I won't say that it's Ketki and her brains for only. Like it's her, so I don't want to put
No,
it
we-
on
we-
things
No,
like that.
Kritika. No, Kritika, we can do the humor. यार ये केतकी को ना, I don't know how she knows all the answers. When she needs to get the answer, no, she gets it correctly always.
Srinath, we have been together. मतलब we were in the
बहुत
same
time से.
company for 2 years.
I know.
Okay.
For 3
तो
years.
थोड़ा
हाँ.
credit दे दे भाई.
अरे नहीं. अरे
So-
आप goddess हो.
Kritika, Ketki and Saida will be are qualifying to the finals. Kritika and Srinath, thank you so much for playing. It was a great quiz, brilliant answers, and I'll see Ketki and Saida tomorrow in the finals. Now, on the fun points, Mansi is still leading. Srinath actually was at 6 and Mansi is at 7. So by 1 point, Srinath went back.
Damn, Srinath. Just one
And-
joke away.
We'll be seeing the next semi-finalist now. Thank you so much.
Aditya, did you give him points for Gryffindor?
I give.
Did you give him points for happy birthday?
Yeah.
नहीं,
तो मतलब
Birthday
देना
था
चाहिए
उसका.
ऐसे मतलब happy birthday
Birthday था
मतलब
उसका,
ऐसे
इससे
कैसे
क्या
नहीं
भी?
दे सकते यार.